for baby, tucked in bed. C is for cake, sweet and round. D is for dinner, with friends all around. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for friend, who comes to play. G is for grandmother, baking pie. H is for horse running by. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jester, dancing on feet. K is for kitten, soft and small. L is for lion, standing tall. M is for moon, glowing bright. N is for noon, with sunny light. O is for open, wide and free. P is for pet, like you and me. Oh, 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 oh. For you. Oh, 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 oh. Q is for quiet, shh, don't shout. R is for ring, we twirl about. S is for small, just like a pea. T is for tiger, wild and free. U is for umbrella, when skies are gray. V is for vegetables every day. W is for wasp, with buzzing wings. X is for Xmas, with joyful things. Oh, 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 oh. It's what you like. Oh, 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 oh. Y is for yacht, sailing fast. Z is for zoo, where animals last. Let's sing them all one more time, with rhythm, rhyme, and learning in mind. A soft music section. Kids repeat to Z, slowly and clearly. A, B, C, D. It adds fun sounds or analogically letters for engagement. Oh, 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 oh. Up to trees too. Oh, 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 oh. A, B, C, sing with me. Letters make words, it's fun, you'll see. From A to Z, come and play. Let's learn something new today. A, B, C, sing with me. Letters make words, it's fun, you'll see. From A to Z, come and play. Let's learn something new today.